Hey guys, it's Tiffany. I'm here today to talk to you about Flipgrid and how you can use Flipgrid in your classroom. One thing that I love most about Flipgrid is that you can share that with your students, and of course you can use it in your classroom, but Flipgrid is a great tool for your students to use at home as well. As you can see, I am here at home creating this Flipgrid tutorial for you today. So Flipgrid is a tool that is excellent for use in your classroom, but is great as a connection tool from school to home. And we're going to talk a little bit about some additions that Flipgrid has added to just increase that school to home connection. So let's get started, and we're going to talk about the types of grids that Flipgrid has added and some ways that we can strengthen that school to home connection. So let's dig in. Let's see how we can use Flipgrid with our students. And I cannot wait to come to your classroom and be a part of the Flipgrid fever. So let's get started. When you log in and you get started working with Flipgrid, one thing you want to keep in mind is that there are three types of grids. So when we click New Grid and we select Grid Community Type, we see that we have School Email Domain, Student ID List, and PLC and Public Grid. The School Email Domain option allows our students to log in with their Google login. This is great for our students in our upper grades. The student ID list is perfect for our younger students. Teachers are able to enter their student ID list, and students are able to use their lunch number as passwords into their grid. Students are also able to scan QR codes to access grids and then use their lunch number as the password to enter the grid. PLC and public grids are more for teacher interaction and then for our students that are 16 years of age and older. So keep that in mind as you're creating your grid and you choose the grid that is most appropriate for your student group. Another thing that I'm really excited about when you look at your grids and your topics is that Flipgrid has added this option for a guest code in our grids. This has really opened up possibilities for us to have parents interact with our grids, for us to invite experts into our grids, and really expand those Flipgrids outside the walls of the school building. Responding to grids is as simple as scanning a QR code, and students are able to put their special touch on the grid, stickers, giving each other responses, and teachers are able to add that private feedback. There are so many uses in the classroom, whether it's responding to books or to prompts. Contact me today. Let me be a part of your classroom with Flipgrid today.